In this part, we will show you how the project administrator has set up IKAN ALM for the DevOps for ZOS mainframe solution. In the project administration context, we select Project, Project Administration, and select the demo ZOS_Git project we created. The project type is package-based. A package allows moving one or more individual files selected manually from a VCR stream. This is a common way of working on the mainframe. We can see that the Git repository, demo ZOS, is connected to this project. As mentioned in the first part, together with the project, a head project stream is created that points to the master branch of the project in Git. Let's go to Project Streams Overview, then click the Edit icon and then click the Edit button on the Project Stream Info panel. Here you can see all the options defined, such as prefix, build type, accepted forced build, and more. All of this is explained in the user guide. A build level is the first level in the lifecycle and is responsible for building your code. Under Lifecycles Overview, we will notice the base lifecycle, which is linked to the main project stream. Let's click the Edit icon next to this lifecycle. We will see all the levels that are connected to this base lifecycle. We click the Edit icon on the Build ZOS level. This is the build level. On the Level Info panel, we click the Edit button. Most fields speak for themselves. Let's ignore the notification, schedule, and requester fields for now. Activating the debug option makes it easier to track things in the beginning, especially when a build fails. Once everything runs smoothly, we can disable it. Let's click the Cancel button. When we create a level, the phases linked to that level are automatically created as well. Those phases will be executed when a level request is initiated. We can see the phases by selecting the Edit Phases link underneath the Phases Overview panel. A build level is a conceptual step in the lifecycle. We still need a physical machine to execute our build on. So we have to link a build environment, the machine we will build on, to the build level. Let's click Build Environments Overview and then click the Edit icon for the ZOS build environment. Just as for the level, the phases linked to the environment are created together with the build environment. They will be executed when the build of a level request will be executed on the IKAN ALM agent. IKAN ALM always starts by transferring the sources to the source location and placing the results in the target location. These locations are automatically cleaned up when the level request has finished, unless we have chosen to use the debug function. The source and target locations can be chosen freely. Note that in order to distinguish levels from environments, we use uppercase for the level and lowercase for the environment directories. Levels and environments can have the same name. If we click the Edit button in the Build Environment Info panel, we can see we have set Downloadable Build option to Yes. So we are able to download the build result. Phases can or sometimes must be provided with additional information in the form of parameters. For example, a phase may need a location of a specific resource. This enables a high level of customization without the need to alter the phase inner mechanics. The phase parameters makes it possible to customize the build and deploy process with minimum effort and without the need of programming skills. Phase parameters can be set on various entities, machines, environments, and phases, following a cascading order. For the ZOS solution, we are working with phase models, resources, and scripts that are tailored to the client's mainframe environment and integrated into IKAN ALM by the ZOS phases and phase parameters. When creating or making changes to a level, IKAN ALM automatically blocks the level and requires the user to run a project audit prior to using it. This project audit is a verification process performed by IKAN ALM which checks the project setup consistency. On the overview, we will see most of the different objects we created. the information screen for our project display, the build archive, and the head project stream, where our future builds will be stored, and the build level containing one build environment on the IKAN ALM agent, where the build will be executed. A test level is the next level in our lifecycle after the build level and is responsible for delivering the build to the test department. Likewise, the production level is the next level after the test level. Since test levels and production levels are similar, apart from the notification options, this topic applies to both. In the project administration, let's edit the project. We go to Levels Overview, click the Edit icon for a test COS level, and then click the Edit button on the Level Info panel. Similar to build level, the test level or production level is just a conceptual step in the lifecycle. We need a physical machine to which we can deploy our build result, so we need to link a deploy environment to the level. We go to Deploy Environments Overview, click the Edit icon for the ZOS test environment, and then click the Edit button on the Deploy Environment Info panel. This is almost similar to a build environment. The deploy will be executed by the IKAN ALM agent on the selected machine. We have ZOS build selected as build environment to indicate that we want to deploy the result of our build environment to our deploy environment. The build result previously created will be extracted in the source location. We can view the phases that will be executed during the deployment or level request to this deploy environment in the Phases Overview panel. What we did earlier for the build parameters should also be done for the deploy parameters, on the deploy environment and on the deployment phases. We have set these already according to our ZOS demo project setup. We can see them by going to Deploy Environments, Deploy Parameters for the environment, and for the machine by going to Global Administration, Machines, Machine Parameters. Just as for the build level, we needed to audit the project first to unlock the test and prod levels. For more information, use the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.